Ladies and gentlemen, and gym enthusiasts of all shapes and sizes, welcome to the Ultimate Fitness Fiesta. Let's kick those excuses to the curb and jumpstart our fitness journey with a blast of energy and a sprinkle of excitement. It's time to turn up the tunes, break a sweat, and have a blast while doing it. Whether you're a seasoned gym rat or a workout newbie, there's something here to keep you motivated and entertained every step of the way. So dust off those running shoes, fluff up your yoga mat, and get ready to sweat, smile, and maybe even snort with laughter as we explore the wacky and wonderful world of fitness. Welcome to the Fitness Fiesta, where every workout is a party and every victory is worth celebrating. Let's crush those calories, unleash those endorphins, and show the world what we're made of. Are you ready to join the adventure? Let's do this. Number 1. Listen to music. That's music to my ears. Not only does jamming out to your favorite tunes make your workout more enjoyable, but it turns out it can also speed up your recovery process. Talk about hitting all the right notes. According to research, listening to music after your workout, especially slower tunes, can actually help you recover faster. How? Well, it's all about those feel-good hormones, serotonin and dopamine. They're like your body's own little cheerleaders, encouraging faster recovery and helping you feel relaxed and rejuvenated after a tough session. So next time you're wrapping up your workout, don't forget to cue up your favorite playlist. Not only will it help bring your heart rate back to normal, it will also have you feeling like a rock star in no time. Number 2. A proper warm-up. A solid warm-up isn't just a box to check off before your workout. It's a crucial step in setting yourself up for success. By gradually raising your body temperature, you're priming your muscles and joints for the workout ahead, incorporating dynamic stretches to help improve flexibility and range of motion, while also enhancing blood flow to your muscles. And let's not forget about those warm-up sets. They're like a dress rehearsal for your main lifts, helping your nervous system get dialed in and ready to perform at its best. Plus, they give you a chance to practice proper form and technique before you start adding on heavier weights. So, don't skip out on your warm-up. It's your ticket to a safer, more effective workout. Number 3. Full range of motion. Maintaining proper form during your workout isn't just about looking good. It's about keeping your body safe and getting the most out of your exercises. So resist the urge to show off and focus on nailing that perfect form instead. Trust me, your body will thank you later. One key tip: make sure you're completing each exercise through its full range of motion. Research has shown that exercises performed through a full range of motion lead to better muscle development compared to doing partial reps. So don't cheat yourself out of those gains. Embrace the full range and watch those muscles grow. Number 4. Track workout performance. Keeping tabs on your progress is like having a roadmap to your fitness goals. Whether you're aiming to increase strength, build muscle, or improve endurance, tracking your workouts gives you valuable insights into what's working and what might need adjusting. And while there are plenty of fancy apps out there to help you log your lifts, sometimes going old school with a trusty notebook is the way to go. It's simple, reliable, and best of all, it minimizes distractions so you can stay focused on your workout. So whether you're hitting new PRs or making subtle tweaks to your routine, don't forget to jot it down. Number 5. Switch things up. Talk about shaking things up. If you're looking to supercharge your fitness gains, it might be time to mix up your exercise routine. According to a study, exercisers who incorporated both deep and full squats into their workouts saw greater improvements in fitness compared to those who stuck with just one variation. And it's not just squats. This principle applies to any exercise. By switching up your routine and incorporating different variations of the same movement, you engage different muscles and challenge your body in new ways. So whether it's adding a twist to your planks or mixing up your lunges, don't be afraid to get creative with your workouts. Number 6. Listening to your body. Your body is your best workout buddy, so it's essential to listen to what it's telling you. If something doesn't feel right, or if you're experiencing any pain or discomfort, don't ignore it. Pushing through might seem like the tough thing to do, but in reality, it could lead to serious injuries that'll set you back in the long run. Instead, be smart and make adjustments as needed. There's no shame in swapping out an exercise that doesn't agree with you or modifying your approach to suit your body's needs. Remember, it's all about the long game, and that means prioritizing your body's well-being over any short-term gains. Number 7. Drink water. Water everywhere, and not a drop to drink? Think again. Staying hydrated is key to maximizing your workout performance and recovery. According to research from the University of North Carolina, even a modest 2% loss of body weight in fluids can make your workout feel like an uphill battle. It reduces exercise performance and hampers your body's ability to bounce back post-workout. Talk about pouring cold water on your gains. But fear not, staying hydrated is easier than you think. Research suggests sipping on half to 1 ounce of water per pound of body weight every day. And don't forget to hydrate during your sweat sessions too. So grab your water bottle and make hydration a top priority. Your body will thank you, and you'll be powering through your workouts like a champ in no time. Remember, when it comes to hydration, it's all about staying thirsty, my friends. Cheers to that. Number 8, get a cardio buddy. Who knew your workout buddy could be your secret weapon for smashing fitness goals? Imagine this: cyclists who sweated out with a buddy pedaled almost twice as long as those who rode solo. That's right, having someone else by your side doesn't just make workouts more fun, it also amps up your performance. Having a partner around pushes you to give it your all, even when the going gets tough. Suddenly, those grueling sets feel a little less daunting, and you find yourself pushing harder and going longer than ever before. So next time you're gearing up for a gym sesh, why not bring along a workout buddy? With their encouragement and support, you'll be breaking personal records and reaching new heights in no time. Together, you and your gym buddy can conquer any workout, one rep at a time. It's time to grab a friend, hit the gym, and unleash your inner fitness warrior. Number 9, indulge in a massage. That post-workout massage isn't just a luxury, it's a scientifically backed boost for your muscles. Research from McMaster University in Canada suggests that indulging in a massage after exercise can actually influence genes in your muscle cells. This genetic tweak leads to a decrease in inflammation and an increase in the number of mitochondria, which are like little powerhouses that help fuel exercise and recovery. It's all about those moments between workouts when your muscles are busy getting fitter and stronger. According to research, muscles don't actually get fitter during your workout. They do so during recovery as they adapt to exercise. And that's where massage comes in handy. It helps speed up this recovery process, getting you back to your best in no time. So go ahead, treat yourself to that post-exercise massage and give your muscles the TLC they deserve. Number 10, get a better night's sleep. Lights out, gym buffs. Quality sleep isn't just a luxury, it's your secret weapon for maximizing those gains. Skimping on shut-eye doesn't just leave you feeling groggy, it can seriously sabotage your workout mojo. Poor sleep not only dampens exercise performance and calorie burn, but it also puts the brakes on your body's post-workout recovery process. Sleep drives the hormonal shifts necessary for your body to bounce back stronger after hitting the gym. Without those precious Z's, you're setting yourself up for a one-way ticket to Fitness Plateau City. So what's the magic number? Aim for a solid 7 to 9 hours of sleep each and every night. Your body will thank you. Your muscles will thank you. And hey, even your workout buddies might thank you for bringing your A game to the gym. Alrighty folks, that's a wrap on our fitness extravaganza. We hope you've had a blast breaking a sweat and pushing your limits. But before you hit the showers, let's do a quick muscle check. Do you feel the burn? Are those endorphins pumping? Now, it's time to take that energy and channel it into your everyday life. Whether you're conquering the office, crushing your goals, or just living your best life, remember that every step counts. If you've enjoyed today's video, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our awesome fitness community. And hey, don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Until next time, keep hustling, keep smiling, and keep shining bright like the fitness rock stars you are. See you on the